Hello, I'm Kate Freeman, registered nutritionist working with the Heart Research Institute. We just want to say a huge thank you for all of your support. I'm passionate about helping people develop long-term healthy eating habits. That way they can live long and reduce their risk of heart disease. Today, we're going to be cooking a delicious recipe, quinoa, lime and coriander prawns. It's absolutely delicious, full of heart-healthy fats, protein and lots of vitamins and minerals. I'm going to show you how to cook it in under 25 minutes. I just want you to know that I haven't prepared anything in advance. All of my ingredients are in the kitchen behind me, and just like you'd come home from work after a really long day and have to throw together dinner, if you've done a little bit of prep and have your ingredients ready to go, you too can put together a healthy, delicious tasting meal to support your health well into the future. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so let's get started. Dish that we did in 21 minutes. Absolutely easy, absolutely delicious. I really hope you enjoy it. Bye!